There's a habit that many people quietly struggle with. It's easy to fall into, but incredibly hard to break free from. Masturbation. Maybe it started as a way to relieve stress, boredom, or loneliness. A quick escape when life feels overwhelming. At first, it seemed harmless, even comforting. But over time, it can become a cycle that drains your energy and clouds your mind. You find yourself caught in a loop, promising, "I'll stop after this." Then, just one more time. You wake up feeling tired, frustrated, maybe even ashamed. But this isn't about laziness or weakness. It's about deeper feelings you might be avoiding. This habit is not just a behavior. It's a way your mind tries to soothe discomfort or escape difficult emotions. So how do you regain control? First, start by becoming aware. Notice when the urge arises. Is it when you're stressed, lonely, bored? When you recognize your triggers, you gain power over them. Next, replace the habit with something positive. Instead of giving in, go for a walk, stretch, call a friend, or write down your thoughts. Find activities that nourish your mind and body. Small changes create momentum. Don't expect to be perfect overnight. Celebrate every moment you resist. And if you stumble, don't be hard on yourself. Change is a journey, and every step forward counts. Forgive yourself, get back up, and keep moving. Remember, freedom isn't about being flawless. It's about choosing to care for yourself, over and over again. Start with small steps. Start right now, because the path to true self-control begins with one simple choice. And when you do, your future self will thank you.